Beginning from the magnificent roads of Mysore and traveling through the panoramic lanes of National Highway 67 towards the scenic beauty of Ooty is just perfect for any travel lover. The roads invite the tourists to enjoy the natural beauty of Bandipur, known for the national park, and crossing through the Malai Wildlife Sanctuary gives the travelers an opportunity for animal sighting. Immersing through the golden rays of sun, gradually we enter an attractive path 51 kilometers west of Ooty, the Needle Rock viewpoint. The backdrop of great Nilgiris hills, spreading with the indigenous flora and fauna, greets the heart and mind of the visitors. The 360-degree view comprising the heavenly experience of reach for the clouds takes away anyone's breath. A huge rock in shape of a cone characterizes the peak, hence the name Needle Rock Viewpoint. One should pay an entry fee of ₹10, and the place being away from the bustle of the roads makes it a hidden attraction for nature enthusiasts as well as voyagers. Small trekking and climbing steps are an addition to adventure minds. The mesmerizing view of prolific greenery along with the calming breeze proves to be a delightful treat from the top. The place is ready to welcome the people from morning 8 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. Enjoy the sight of valley and hills from the top, and never forget to click photographs at this picturesque background to cherish for the times to come. Small shops amidst the innocence of rural lives are a soothing experience. Here, the hotness of fresh-made Maggie and the serenity of lake nearby makes this place a best choice for refreshment in this long ride. An opportunity to sip a hot tea or coffee and enjoy the lake is a feel not to miss. After capturing the innate taste and aroma on the way, now the journey is to relish the beauty of Pykara Waterfall and River. The majestic site is located 20 kilometers away from Ooty in the Ooty-Mysore road, with an entry fee of ₹10. The sceneries of the riverside reminds the viewers of European landscapes filled with lush greenery. Long pathways filled with trees on sides is a lovely sight. The clean surroundings of the place and the grace of flowing water are definite things to be highlighted. The sets of bloomed flowers raise the charm of the whole place. the water flowing as layers create ripples in our eyes too. Treasure the tranquility of the place and adore this picnic spot with a wonderful boat ride.